Look at page 52 of your reading packet. Page 52. Let's make it a little bigger. Oops. It says, find the problem. Cross out the problem. Write the sentence. Number 1. The sentence, Pat works in a school. Pat works in a school. P-I-T. Problem. Problem. How do we spell pat? At. P-A-T. Cross out the problem. Write the sentence. Pat works in a school. Look at number 2. Listen. Number 2, it is a big school. It is a big school. Big. Problem. Big. Problem. Right here. Problem. Fix the problem. You write the sentence, it is a big school. Fix the problem. Let's look at the next one. Number 3. Her job is to fix lunch. Her job is to fix lunch. Fix. Fix lunch. Problem. Fix lunch. Problem. Write the sentence, her job is to fix lunch. Number 4. Today, she will fix fish sticks. Today, she will fix fish sticks. Where's the problem? Fish sticks. This is fish sticks. This is a problem. Fish sticks. Cross out the problem. Write the new sentence. Today, she will fix fish sticks. Okay. Number 5. Fish sticks are good for the kids. Fish sticks are good for the kids. Where is the problem? Fish sticks. Here's a problem. Sticks. Problem. Sticks. Sticks. Cross out the problem. Fix the problem. Fish sticks are good for the kids. Okay. Number 6. But the kids say ick. Fish sticks. But the kids say ick. Fish sticks. Problem? Where is the problem? But the kids say ick. Fish sticks. Sticks. Problem. Here's a problem. Cross out the problem. Fix the problem. Okay? You write, but the kids say ick. Fish sticks. Okay. When you finish, write all of the fix the problems, write the sentence with no problem. Then take a picture and text it to me on your WhatsApp.